Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So this is Paulo Bridge, your Pinoy nurse here in Singapore. So for my today's content, guys, this is the topic of my content. Is it truly a pay rise for Singapore nurses? Up to 4% increase, but allowance cut. Okay? So before that, before I continue this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. So yes, guys, if you still remember, right, I made a video regarding this up to 4% increment for nurses here in Singapore. So they announced already, this coming July, there will be a up to 4% increments additional from your usual annual increment. Okay? So it's like, if you will sum up, it's doubled. If in case you will get 4% plus your institution annual increment 4%, then maybe it's 8%. This is just a rough computation. Okay? So yes, if you remember, I made a video about this. But recently I have a news to tell you guys. One of the hospital cluster in Singapore, they've announced that the shift allowance will be decreased. Okay? So if you still remember, there are three big cluster in hospital, three big cluster here in Singapore hospital. So SingHealth, NUHS, and NHG. So I won't tell which hospital announced this, but yes, they announced that they will decrease the shift allowance. So how to explain this? So example, if you do night shift, so example, currently, if you do night shift, like on weekend, if they pay 120 per night shift during weekend, they decrease it to $80. See? Then example, you do afternoon shift. Usually your afternoon shift allowance is $30 per afternoon shift. Now they decrease it to $15. This is the example. So they announced that the shift allowance will be decreased. That's why some of my local friends, okay, please comment down below, local friends and my friends are not happy because of this announcement, because it seems like they thinking, yeah, you increase 4%, but end up you cut down our allowances, right? So, and I try to understand, but actually there's a catch, no? Actually, they also put, so for this new adjustment, this allowance adjustment, actually they announced we will get a fixed allowance per month. So what do I mean about this fixed allowance per month? So, example, you're doing 3 shifts, like morning, afternoon, and night. You will get, like, I cannot say the real amount. You will get $200 per month additional. So, even you will get $200 per month plus less shift allowance payment. So, if you try to understand, will it affect your monthly salary? So actually, guys, I made a computation. So for the next slides, I'm going to tell you what is the final conclusion. Is it this announcement will affect the salary of nurses, or is it a good news? Will it increase more the salary of nurses? Okay? So stay tuned. So hello guys, so as I promised, I made a computation. So actually it's not me, it's ChatGPT, you know. And also disclaimer guys, this is just estimation. So definitely I cannot tell you the real amount, or else I'm afraid that I'll be penalized. So anyways, yep. So if example you're SN2 or SN1, so I made an example. So 4-week example, you did a 4-week and night shift, and you did a 10 weekday PM shift. So we try to compare. So, in current example, the current payment now is if you do weekend, you have 105 per night. If you do weekend night shift. And if you do PM shift weekdays, you got $17 per PM shift. But this $0 is the fixed allowance. So currently we don't have the fixed allowance that I'm mentioning earlier. So, for the new scheme, for the new allowance scheme that they are implementing soon, they lessen the weekend allowance to, example, the amount lesson is $88 per weekend, and the PM shift is $10 now already. So, if you can see, it's quite a lot, right? They lessen a lot they deduct a lot. But however, the new scheme shows you will give you $250 fixed monthly. This is just estimation, please, just estimation, okay, remember, okay, let's do the computation. Thank you, ChatGPT. So on system, they compute. So for For weekend night shift, you will get 422. 10 p.m. shift, you will get 170. So, the total you will get extra is $592 without the fixed shift allowance, because this is the current one. So, for the new, for the new plan, for the new allowance scheme, the 4 weekend, you will get 352, which is less, right? Then the 10 p.m. shift is $100 already because it's become $10. It's also less, but you got fixed allowance of 250. So if you will compute, you will get 702. So remember, the total amount will be 702. So if you will compare, actually the old one is lesser, is 592, compared to the new allowance scheme that you will get 452 plus 250 is equals to 702. So means it's a salary increment, right? So I hope you're all happy with this announcement. Anyways, if example guys, my computation is wrong, please comment down below. And yep, this one is just to share information so everyone understand the adjustment. So it's quite good. Actually, it's quite good. So yep, it's still a good. It's a good thing that they have this. They change the allowances, and also I find it quite fair. Also, if you don't do much PM shift or night shift, like for myself, I don't like doing night shift, and I always do morning shift. I mean, I rather do morning shift, but actually morning shift is also tiring. So yep, I like this new allowance scheme. So if you can see, there's a $110 difference. So I believe I believe it's really good. Okay? So I guess guys, you've learned something new again. And yes, thank you for the salary increment and also for the allowance increment. Oh, so it's not a decrement, it's increment. But anyways, if you think my computation is wrong, please comment down below. And just guess which cluster is this. Is it SingHealth, NHG, or NHS? So I'm not sure if this three cluster has the same changes, if they will have this kind of change for the allowances. Okay, I think that's it for my content today. Bye bye.